Welcome to Ron's Choice for Health and Fitness with the Body by Vi 90-Day Challenge. I don't want to take any longer than my usual 3 minutes. I'm just going to keep the clock for us. First of all, I want to tell you, go ahead and connect with me on Facebook, because whether you join the challenge or not, I'm always posting motivational quotes, telling you things, telling you what I'm doing to exercise for proper health, just health in general, because Body by Vi it's a lifestyle. Okay, the shake is the nutrition. It's the proper. You got to have nutrition. I compare it to juicing, like eating all natural. But for me, whether you want to decide whether this is for you or not, for me, juicing was too much. It's too expensive, too time consuming. To get all the vegetables. What do I eat? I tried to do it all natural. I'm like, you know what? The shakes are easy. 2 scoops, milk or almond milk, regular milk. You mix what you want with it as long as you watch your calories. It tastes great, and it gives me the nutrition that I need to get through the day. I still have to exercise, and I still have to watch what I eat and eat properly, not overeat, but my nutrition is covered. So I don't have to sit there and worry so much about, am I getting all my vegetables and all my fruits? And I'm going to show you a video what's all in the shake, what you would have to eat. What would you would have to eat to get what's in one shake, okay? And they're less than $2 a day. So anyway, connect with me on Facebook over here, and like I said, I give motivational quotes. I tell you how I work out, different workouts you have to do, because you have to make a lifestyle. It has to be something you can enjoy and that you'll continue to do. Now, ViSalus, the Body by Vi 90-Day Challenge, for me, it was the community. It was the incentives. You get a free T-shirt just for losing 10 pounds. You get qualified to win $1,000. 10 people every week win $1,000. It's $10,000 a week they give away. So they incentivize you. They have all kinds of tools and resources to use. The community is just huge. They have events always within the 3 hours of wherever you live, so you can go and connect with other people that are doing the same thing. So that's what it was for me. I've been doing it over 1.5 years. You've seen the results down below. You can get, go ahead and get your 3 free ebooks. That'll help you. I've used those in the past to help you boost your metabolism. Because again, there's nothing magic about it. There's all kinds of diets that works. Other shakes work. It's just I found a family and a community. Now, you get access to me through Facebook. But if you join the challenge with me, you have direct access with me. I'll put you in my Facebook group. You'll have my number, and I'll help you as much as I can. As long as you're working, I'll work with you. I'll go with you side by side on this whole thing, because happiness, health, and prosperity is what it's about for me, and health is 1/3 of it. It took me 20 years to finally go ahead and make the change and do what I had to do. And I'm here to help you. That's why I made this video, so you can see my face. My 3 minutes is up. So go ahead and get the books, get your information. Go ahead and get on Facebook with me. Get rolling. See if it's for you. You don't have to, just by getting the ebooks doesn't mean you're signing up for ViSalus. It's just so we can stay in touch. And I hope to see you on the other side.
The core of the Body by Vi 90-Day Challenge is the Vi-Shape Nutritional Shake Mix. To match the same nutritional values found in one shake, you would need to eat over 12 eggs, 1.5 cups of broccoli, 5 peaches, at least 2 chicken breasts, 1.5 cups of frozen yogurt, 1.5 cups of bran flakes, 18 ounces of tomato juice, 5 ounces of cheddar cheese, 3 cups of cooked lima beans, 15 slices of whole wheat bread, 20 spears of asparagus, 2 cups of sliced mushrooms, 30 whole apples, 10 stalks of celery, at least 3 tomatoes, 3 pineapples, and 30 prunes. That would be 8,662 calories and cost over $100. Or you could get all of that nutrition in one convenient, delicious shake for less than $2. Make a decision that makes sense today. Lose weight, save money, and win prizes with Body by Vi.